It's Mr. Grable, School Math, Grade 4, Chapter 4 test. We're on question 12. And here it is. Zach needs to divide these place 10 blocks into 3 equal groups. Complete the description of the model to show how many are in each group. So here we go. We got 10, 20, 30, 42. We got 42 total divided by 3. We're going to put them into the 3 groups, right? So 1, 2, 3 groups. So this first 10 we can put here, second 10 we can put here, and this third 10 we can put there. So we've used these 3 10s, right? So the model will contain one 10 rod, sorry guys, one 10 rod. So each model will have one 10 rod and how many 1 scoops. So far I've used 30 and I have 12 left. I can't put in a 10 rod, so I have to put in one cubes. So 1, 12 of them, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So each model is going to have 4 1 cubes. And when I look at it as just a regular division problem, how many 3's fit into the 10th place? Well, since there's 4, 1 minus 1 times 3 is 3. 4 take away 3 is 1. Bring down to 2. How many 3's fit into 12 is 4. So how many 10's? 1. How many 1's? 4. So there's going to be a total of 14 blocks in each group as 1 10 and then as 4 1's. Alright, so here it is. Jim divide number 13. Jim needs to divide 757 coupon books equally among 9 stores. In which place is the first digit of the quotient? Select the word that makes the sentence true. Alright. 757 divided by 9. Now it says the first digit of the quotient is in the blanks place. So here's where the quotient is, the answer line, right? So how many 9's fit into 7? I can't do that. So 0 times 9 is 0. 7. Then I bring down the 5. How many 9's fit into 75? And I know we're not great with our 9's, but we need to be figuring this out. How many 9's fit into 75? 8. 8 times 9 is 72. It's 37. How many 9's fit into 37? 4. Then we have that 1 remaining, right? 37 take away 36 is remainder 1. The first digit of the quotient, right here, is in the tens place. Question 14. A total of 62 students signed up to play in a flag football league. If a team has 9 students, how many more students will need to sign up so all the students can be on a team? Okay, so we have groups of 9, right? That's 1 team. That's 2 teams. That's 3 teams. That's 4 teams. So right now that's 9, 18, 27. Sorry guys, 9 times 4 is 36, so that's 36 students. 9 times 5, that's 45 students so far, right? So we had 9 so far, we had 18, we had 27, we had 36, we had 45. Another team of 9 students, that's 54. Another 9 would get us to 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 times 7 is 63. Ooh, I don't have 63 students though. I only have 62, right? So to make that 17, I would need one more student, you see? One more student would get us to that last team, okay? Question 15. Darby has 27 treats. She wants to share an equal number of treats with each of her 5 friends. How many treats will Darby have left over for herself after sharing? So Darby is super nice, wants to share her 27 treats with her 5 friends. How many treats will Darby have left over for herself after sharing? So she's going to give each one of her friends 5. She's going to have 2 left over. So she'll get to have 2. Question 16. In 6 days, the truck driver drove a total of 2,329 miles. He drove the same number of miles each day. About how many miles did he drive each day? All right, guys, so we're going to divide. We're going to divide by 6. So we're going to get an about, all right? So let's see. We could do it this way, but if you're like, man, Mr. Scribble, I've been struggling with this, there's another way that we can do it. We could do 300 times 6. Well, 6 times 3 is 1,800. That doesn't seem super close. Let's try some more. 500 times 6. Well, 5 times 6 is 3,000. Okay, well, let's do 400 times 6. 6 times 400 is 2,400. 2,400, 2,329. I'm thinking this C is going to be the answer, but let's try this last one too. 6 times 600 would be 3,600. That's way far off. 1,800 is super far away. And yep, the answer is C, 2,400. Yep. So about 400 miles each day. Now, if you're like, Mr. I'm pretty good at division. Well, here's how we do it. How many 6s fit into 2,000? Can't do it. How many 6s fit into 23? 3. So I subtract 18. 23 take away 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 is 5. In the tens place, I bring down the tens. How many 6s fit into 52? 8. 6 times 8, or 8 times 6 is 48, and I subtract. What's the difference between 52 and 48? Count up, 49, 50, 51, 52. It's 4. Now I bring down 9. How many 6s fit into 49? Well, 8. 6 times 8 is still 48. I'll have 1 left over, so overall this truck driver drove 388 miles each day, and then he would have had 1 mile left over. So 388 is closest to 400. So that's the about. Alright, I'm going to stop. We'll stop after number 17. Alright. Use compatible numbers to estimate the quotient. So 2,106 divided by 3. Well, I'm going to use this right here. My compatible numbers, those numbers easy to work with, multiples. How many 3's fit into 21? It would be 700 because we're estimating. So this is going to be about 700. Alright, I'll finish up on in the next video the last couple of questions.